To me, I think it's crazy how this is our reality right now and how scary it was when things switched up so fast and we didn't even get to take a breath before just diving in straight to rock bottom. During quarantine, I've been trying to stay positive because I feel like it's really easy just to have a negative outlook on everything. I've been trying to do things that like really are going to keep me busy. I try to stay in touch with my friends still, whether that's like FaceTiming them or we will sit in our cars and watch the sunset. And I like to go on walks with my neighbor. She's practically my sister, and we will walk like every day or every other day. I try to stay outside as much as I can, but honestly some days I'm just kind of lazy, so I watch a lot of Netflix and Disney Plus. I've never watched Disney Plus before, but my friend shared their account with me, and I've literally been watching like every kid's movie on there, so I will definitely take homework breaks and do that. So like I said, I try and keep every day positive and like entertaining for myself. So this morning I woke up and I decided I wanted to dye a section of my hair purple, and with my luck my mom's a hairstylist, so we just went ahead and did it. It didn't turn out like the exact way I wanted it to, but it was just something fun to do for the day and I don't regret it at all. It's not always a free-for-all though. I actually do my schoolwork and I like to do it outside when it's really nice, and my dad will give me company too, and it just overall like clears your head and it's just nice to get out. My new favorite hobby in quarantine is probably working out. We have a treadmill, elliptical, and bike in our basement, and I never really utilized it until now. I try to walk 2 miles and run 2 miles every day, and honestly it just makes me feel really good, and I'll listen to music while I'm running, and especially like my Spotify playlist I made for summer. Okay, this is my final thought to leave you with. Honestly, quarantine sucks, and it's so easy to just be negative about it and say, well, I hate this, I hate that, I can't see my friends. But honestly, at the end of the day, when this is all over, the world is gonna burst with joy, and I think it shows us that we took things for granted way too easily, and it just shows us that we really need to focus on like the little things, and we need to love the little things that we're given in life and just not take anything for granted, whether that's getting coffee with your grandma or watching your little cousins. Every memory counts, and we should cherish them forever because you never know when something abrupt could happen and it's all torn down and you weren't thankful